Hello everybody. Can't forget about the old Craftsman pressure washer. It is a 580.752510. I've got an air filter, and when I replaced the recoil, the replacement didn't come with a decal, so I have the decal for it. So I'll get those put on. Well, let's see about getting that decal installed. That's it. Looks factory now. Two little tabs depress, and that opens up to reveal the filter, which isn't too bad. Not too bad at all. But being that this thing's, I don't know, had it close to 10 years, figure a new filter would be in order. But yeah, there is a difference. So definitely that time. Wipe that out a little bit. Probably ought to change the oil in it too. Pretty sure it's been a while since I've done that. See how this goes. Yeah, that can definitely stand some fresh oils. Still draining. Well, unfortunately, I pulled a $0 move and didn't have the oil on hand that goes in this engine. But rather than just leave it empty till I go get it, I'm just going to put in what I have, 12 to 14 ounces to fill this engine. So it should be down to 6 with it full. We'll go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, which is 18, so we'll shoot for that number. But just on the outside chance somebody needs to use this and I'm not around, this oil will be better than no oil, and then I can drain it out and put the proper oil when I get it. Pour it back in this bottle, and this will be for topping off the mowers throughout the season. About 2 ounces to go. And we are there. We'll call that good. So that was a close call, but nice recovery. See how close we are. Right on the fill mark. It's a few days later. I have obtained the correct oil for this pressure washer. Did a little waxing and cleaning up off screen. Got a little floppy trim piece there, so I'm going to see if this will fit. Look like that's grabbing just enough where that's not going to flop around, so that's a good thing. I don't like stuff falling off my equipment like that. Try to keep it maintained as well as I'm able to. So let's pull that spark plug and see what that's looking like. There it is. Don't think I've ever had this one out. That's not looking bad at all. Might just give that the old wire brush. Out of the spray, so gotta do that style. That's not bad at all. I've made sure my pan is extremely clean because I'm going to pour this oil back in the original container, and it'll be for my top off oil throughout the season, as mentioned earlier. This oil will probably be fine. However, I just like to use the correct stuff. Kind of got a little rowdy there. Oh, we spilled about half of it. That's no problem. No problem at all. Yep. That was a fail. Yeah. Big fail. I needed to oil my floor anyway. So it looks like we will not be reusing that. So I had a little better success the second time, so I'm got that tilted over the pan this time, so that's gonna not drain the oil on the floor, so that'll be more awesome. Should just about be drained out. Well, let's see just how bad I did here. Well, I salvaged 2 ounces, so that's not too bad. I'll take it. Well, let's go ahead and top off the oil with the correct oil. after spilling the other all over the floor. Probably have to get some pine saw out and mop this floor out here. That should be pretty good. I'll probably measure out some oil and refill that one. So there's that. Perfect. And then it's got a tiny bit of gas in it from the October pressure washing. That should be enough to do what I'm going to do. Put a little tune-up in it. Perfect. And I'm going to pressure wash the patio. Well, let's see if it'll start. Got the pressure washing done. Washed until I ran out of gas, which is exactly what I wanted to do. Worked perfect. No issues. And then I put my wand on an incline and let it all drain out. Put a little, this is what I happen to have, just put a little bit on that in there so the rust doesn't get any worse. And also did the each end of my high pressure hose. Try to keep the rust at bay there. Well, everything's all wrapped up and tidied back up. Are we done? Not quite. This is, in my opinion, the most important thing to do when putting away the pressure washer, because it may sit over winter before I use it again. Might not, but it might. So better safe than sorry. I've used that pump saver for many years. There it is. and give it a good healthy blast, and that should take care of the maintenance on the pressure washer. Once again, this is the equipment maintenance part 8, my pressure washer. It is a model 580.752510 Honda GCV 160 engine. Thank you for watching.